Good afternoon, partners. You are here and going to talk about a topic. Thank you all of us for coming today. We are going to talk about why air pollution from cars is a rising problem in Puebla. First, let me outline what we are going to see in this presentation. We are going to trace the people involved, the causes, the pollution, consequences, solutions, and a conflict. For that, I would like to start with a simple question. Did you come by car today to the college?
No.
If you do, this presentation will be some interesting because it has some features about the air pollution that is produced by cars.
Here is people involved. The people involved are the drivers, because it's the main cause of this problem, because a lot of drivers don't share the car and they make a lot of cars in the traffic. Another cause is the people in general that prefers the short distance make in the car, or for laziness don't walk. And the other people is the automobile industry and government, because the automobile industry is generating more and more cars and making cheaper for the people that can afford it, and that makes a lot of people buy cars, and that make a lot of cars in the traffic.
Now we have to see the causes. The principal cause is that people prefer using cars than public transportation, and in the next part we are going to show some statistics about this. Other fact is that it's cheaper to use a car with fossil fuels than use other ways. Other fact is that the oil prices has fallen for some days actually. Other facts to use cars is that there are long distance between places in Puebla and are badly roads. And some specific cases that here in Puebla are like 4 companies of cars that produce a lower price of cars to the customers.
Amount of cards. 6 of the cards are particular cards. There is 1 card for 4 people in Puebla. There was a rise of 114 of the cars on the road in Puebla from 2001 to 2082. In the last count, the record of the car was 917 in 2008.
I'm going to talk about pollution. The cause of this is that when combustion happens, it's a chemical reaction in which produce water and other particles of some gases. And here, the combustion of fossil fuels produce especially 3 main molecules: carbon dioxide, hydrocarbons, and nitrogen oxides. There are new as greenhouse gases that raise the problem of a greenhouse effect. Other is that the atmosphere becomes full of harmful substances, and for measuring in Puebla it's something difficult because of the winds, and there are other facts that pollute the air, same as we use modern resources of energy for heating houses, or for example in this room we use energy for cooling this room, and that spend energy, and almost all the energy comes from fossil sources. And this only causes more effects of climate change and global warming. And if I would like to explain how the greenhouse effect happens, it is because the gases I mentioned hit the heart because they absorb the infrared radiation that comes to the heart and don't let it go away to the space again. Here in Pablo we have 4 measuring devices that are located, like in this map, they are located on 1 mobile measuring device. I choose, for example, this that is the closer to the ITAS to show some statistics of how the air quality is. I have choose this that that it is called technological. It shows that a behavior during the first hour from 6 to 9 in the morning shows higher levels of CO or